Why does the sun make you feel tired after sunburn? The answer reveals a surprising link between your skin's reaction and your body's energy levels. When your skin gets sunburned, it triggers inflammation. This is your immune system rushing to repair damaged cells and protect you from further harm. Inflammation releases chemicals like cytokines that alert your body to the injury. This immune activity demands a lot of energy, which can leave you feeling drained and tired. Sun exposure and sunburn increase fluid loss through your skin and can cause dehydration. When dehydrated, your blood volume decreases, and your heart has to work harder to circulate oxygen and nutrients. This added strain makes you feel fatigued and weak, contributing to that tired feeling after sunburn. Your body tries to cool down after sunburn because your skin's protective barrier is damaged. This disrupts temperature regulation, making your body work harder to maintain a stable internal environment. The increased workload burns more energy and leaves you feeling fatigued as your body struggles to recover. Sunburn pain and itching often interfere with your sleep. Poor sleep means your body can't fully recharge, which adds to daytime tiredness. The less restorative your sleep, the more exhausted you feel, creating a cycle of fatigue linked directly to your sunburn. So next time you feel wiped out after a day in the sun, remember it's your body working hard to heal and protect you. From immune response to dehydration and disrupted sleep, sunburn drains your energy in multiple ways. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.